This is my call to Igbo, Yoruba, and other Nigerian nationalities.
Okay.
And everybody. As long as we want genocide to end in Nigeria,
okay,
as long as we want Nigeria to be a comfortable place for everybody,
okay,
most especially the Hausa land, Yoruba, Igbo, and other Nigerian tribes have to help Hausa people.
It's all right.
How are they going to help Hausa people? First of all, I want you people to know that Hausa people are not the ones who are ruling their land. It is Fulani that are ruling this country. That is the Hausa land.
That is true.
And every position that you will see in Nigeria, of that of a higher position, you will find out that it is a Fulani person that you will see there.
Simple truth.
This is not a funny thing.
It didn't just happen like that.
Those people that are disguising as Hausa people are the ones who are responsible for this insecurity in the northern part of Nigeria. Why I say so is because of the tribalism. The amount of tribalism in the heart of these people is a very high.
Flana, are too tribalistic.
So I'm calling to you people, the Igbos, Yoruba, to help Hausa people.
Okay.
Please help Hausa people and let them have their land. Because once Hausa man is liberated, other Nigerians will be liberated.
Automatically.
Okay.
That is my call to Nigerians, most especially the Igbos and Yorubas. Thank you.
Okay, I don't hear waiting this our brother from northern region, and Hausa man is crying out for help for us in the major tribe, Igbo and Yoruba, to come to their rescue, to come and rescue them as the Hausa people that the Fulanis has taken over their land. The same thing Mazi Nnamdikanu has been, preaching long time ago, but for the years they don't want to rest in. All their care is about Nyamele. Oh, you want to break up Nigeria, you want to do that. But today, every one of us is feeling the heat. Look at what is happening all over the country, especially the northern region. All the things Mazi Nnamdikanu has been telling you and I that these people are coming. Has it not come to pass? Has it not come to pass? Look at what happened in Kwara last time. Over 200 people. And the other day, I saw where the jihadists, the Boko Haram, assemble all of them and interviewing them and interrogating them because our government is doing one Kurkere movement. They don't want to, accept that there are over 200 people that were kidnapped. But it is what it is. Now today, Hausa people are crying out for us, we Igbos and Yorubas, to come to their rescue. They understand me? So, where do we start from? Even if we want to help you people, una go first start helping on ourselves before Yoruba or Igbo people will not step in. Do you not understand me? How many protests Hausa people have been done, to create that awareness that all the key position in the northern Nigeria now only Fulani people take over it. Una no dey any key position for una own land, motherland. Huh? And all of you wanna keep quiet.